Coming. It's gone down. Where's helicopter? It was bigger at lunchtime. It's gone down a bit. All the smoke going all up here. Yeah. Good way to start off Easter.
Is it Easter today or tomorrow?
Yeah, it's today. Easter holiday started on Friday, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure.
Seagull.
So, where?
There.
Where's?
There.
Can't see the helicopter on this, it's too far away. Probably be out by tomorrow morning. Yeah, I can zoom.
Try and zoom up on that.
Okay. That's a helicopter.